Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to film Get Ready With Me. I have to, Today I have performance, I have a gig. So yeah, for those who don't know, I am a singer. I sing in a band. That's basically why I'm getting ready. And I just wanted to film the look because today I want to get glam. So yeah, I am going to use because I want to do a green halo eye kind of something. So I am going to use the James Charles palette. I am going to use these shades. I want to use these two shades and then maybe darken it up with a little bit of black to get more definition. That's basically those two shades, three shades, which I'm going to work with. But for the shimmer, the halo, I will be using this shade from the Juvia's Place palette. This shade right here, it's a beautiful shade. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a full face. So if you're interested in this look, keep on watching, stay tuned, and let's get right into the video. So guys, and for my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro brow pencil, and I will be outlining my brows and yeah, basically fill them in a little bit because I already have full brows, so I won't be doing too much. So, and now that they are done, I will be cleaning them up with my LA Girl Pro concealer. I don't know what the shade is, but yeah, I will be cleaning them up and also priming my eyelids with the same concealer. So like I already said in my previous video, it's always good if you use a lighter eye base, so that way your eyeshadows, your colorful eyeshadows will be more vibrant, and the colors will show up much better. So I started with the darkest green. I am using two greens out of the James Charles palette. I started with the darkest one, and that shade is going into my crease, around my crease, in the inner and outer corner. And yes, that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm packing those colors on, and later on I will blend them out. I went ahead and started blending out the edges, and I'm blending it out with the lighter shade, and I also used a little bit of yellow just to lighten it up. But you have to blend the edges very well so there will be no harsh lines. And I also used a little bit of black for on the green so I could darken it up. And now I am cutting the crease or creating the halo, and yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. Eye actually is when you create a cut crease in the middle, or you apply the lightest shade in the middle of the eyes. So that's actually what they call a halo eye. So that's as you can see, I am reapplying the green and also a little bit of black, and then I will be going into my Juvia's Place palette to apply the yellow gold shade. It's a very, very, very beautiful shade, guys. I love that shade. I also use it as a highlight sometimes. I also used another green shade from the Juvia's Place palette just for a better or more gradient effect, because I felt like it just went over from green to yellow gold real quick. So it will be a gradient effect if I apply that green color before the yellow pops up, and it was the right decision. So I'm just going back and forth, blending, getting everything together, finish up, touching up, etc., etc. Before I finish off my eyes, I will prime my face with the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I did this step before I finish off the eyes just because this primer takes a little bit of time to dry, and it should dry before you actually apply your foundation, because that's actually when it will work. If it's not dry and you apply your foundation on top of it, it won't have the effect as when it's dry. So yeah, I'm letting it dry and finishing off the eyes, and then I will be going over to the face. And I'm also using the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer only on the apples of my cheeks where my pores are a little bit large, because I feel that it fills in my pores and keeps my foundation very smooth. And guys, the foundation I used is my CoverGirl Truly Matte Foundation in the shade D50. It's a very beautiful foundation. It's a matte foundation. And yeah, I have oily skin, so I use matte foundations. I also am using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer to contour. And that's what I'm doing right now. And today I won't be powder contouring, I'm only cream contouring. So, and after that I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer Eligo Pro concealer to highlight, just a little bit, because I don't like to highlight a lot. And I also want to mention that if you're applying your face products, or if you're doing your face, blending is key, guys. Just keep on blending until it's seamlessly and it's blended very well. And yeah, that's very, very important. So don't forget to blend your makeup very well, because it's not nice to see harsh lines and all that stuff. And also dust off your powders, your setting powders very well. Just take your time. If you are impatient, makeup is not for you, because you need to be patient with makeup. You have to take your time, do it the right way so it can be flawless. Now I'm going to apply my blush. It's from the e.l.f. Blush palette in the shade Dark, and it's also very beautiful and affordable. Spraying my face with MAC Fix Plus. I'm just going to finish off the under eyes, and then go over to highlight my lips, and then we are done with the makeup look. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm very happy how it came out. It is nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love my highlight. I love everything. I love the eye look. I love everything. So yeah, I hope you like it too, because I'm feeling the look. Okay, yes, maybe I will put my hair like this. Make sure you check the description box for all the information on this look. Also check all my social media. I will also leave them in the description box. Thank you for watching. Until next time.